Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we've got a quick and helpful guide for those of you who might be having issues with your Hisense TV and are looking to give it a fresh start. We're going to show you how to factory reset your Hisense TV in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Accessing the settings menu. The first step is to power on your Hisense TV and grab your remote control. Press the settings button on your remote to access the main menu. Step 2. Navigating to system. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate to the system option. It might be listed as system or advanced settings depending on your Hisense TV model. Step 3. Selecting reset. Within the system menu, look for the reset or factory reset option. Select it to proceed with the reset process. Step 4. Entering password, if required. Some Hisense TVs might prompt you to enter a password before proceeding with the factory reset. If you have set up a password, enter it at this point. Step 5. Confirming factory reset. Once you've selected the reset option, the TV will usually ask you to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to perform a factory reset, and the process will begin. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. In just a few easy steps, you can factory reset your Hisense TV. Keep in mind that this will erase all settings, so be sure to set up your TV preferences again after the reset. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tech tips, and we'll see you in the next video.